Hello students, today we shall study about homomorphism of groups. So homomorphism means it is a mapping between two groups. Homomorphism. So this is a composition of two words, homo plus morphism. So we know that homo means same or similar, morphism means mapping. So that means homomorphism means it is a mapping between the two groups. So in terms of groups, a mapping is, it means that which preserves. So that means it is a mapping between two groups. Okay. Two groups are said to be homomorphic to each other. It means that they have the same structure or similar structure. Okay. Now before going to the definition of homomorphism, we shall recall the mapping between two sets. Okay. So suppose consider two sets which has the elements A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Suppose consider this as A and B. So if I map A with 1, B with 2 and C with 3. So this is the mapping between A and the sets A and B. The same way we map the two groups G and G dash. So here in the group G, the binary operation, we may consider any binary operation. So in the group G we consider G dot, and the G dash we consider as a star, or you can use the plus operator here, or you can use here plus and dot. Okay, you can according to you can consider any binary operations. Okay, so now it is a mapping between two groups. So suppose 1, 2, 3, A, B and C. 1 maps A, 2 maps B, 3 maps C. So I am just considering A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 as the elements. Okay, so now so see here in this mapping, A maps 1 means image of A is 1, and we denote it as f of A equals to 1. Image f means here image of A is equals to 1. So 1 is nothing but it is the image of A. Similarly 2 is image of B because B maps with 2. So similarly 3 is the image of C. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, all the elements in the second set are called as the image, and these are called as the pre-image. A is pre-image of 1, B is pre-image of 2, and similarly C is the pre-image of 3. Okay, a mapping may be like this also. So A maps 1, 2 maps, so we can consider as even 2 also maps with A only. So this is also a mapping. So here 1 and 2 both maps with A. So in this case we can say that f of 1 is equals to A, and even image of 2 is also equals to A, and image of 3 is equals to C. Okay, so this is one type of mapping and this is another type. So we see the types of mapping in the next. Okay, now what is the mapping between two groups, or what is a homomorphism means. So if I consider image of these elements are A, B and C. So here elements are 1, 2, 3. Suppose if I consider two groups G, which has the binary operation as a dot, and one more group G dash, which has the binary operation as a star. Now we define a mapping F from G to G dash such that image of G1 dot G2 is equals to image of G1 star image of G2, then this mapping is called as the homomorphism. So see here, G1 and G2 belongs to the group G. Okay. So that is two groups G and G dash are said to be homomorphic to each other if this condition is satisfied. So you can observe that here I am considering image of G1 dot G2. So here we have taken the operator from the first set, okay, G dot, okay. So first set equals to image of G1 star image of G2. So here the operation is binary operation is star, that is from the second set. So if this condition satisfied, then we say that the given function is a homomorphism. Okay. Now on the basis of the mapping between two groups, we define few terms, that is isomorphism, endomorphism and automorphism, or trivial homomorphism, okay, and so on. So first, before going to the definition of the isomorphism, we shall see what is a 1-1 mapping and onto mapping between the two sets. Okay. So see here are the different types of mapping, okay, between the two sets. So see here, first you see this mapping. Here 1 maps with A, 2 maps with B and 3 maps with C, and even 4 also maps with C. It is a mapping, that is it is a function, okay. So see here, but it is not a 1-1. Why it is not a 1-1 means? 1-1 means, so see in this example, 1 maps with A, 2 maps with B and 3 maps with C. All the elements of set A have only 1-1 image. But so here see here, 3 have image C and even 4 also have the same image C. So that means all the different elements have the different images, then that type of mapping is called as the 1-1 mapping. But here 3 and 4 both have the same image, therefore this is not a 1-1, but we can call it as a onto. So this is not a 1-1. So 1-1 means one element must have only one image. So therefore this is a 1-1. Onto means, so now come to the second set. So see here, in this example it has 3 elements, okay. All the elements have the pre-images. So that is pre-image of A is 1, pre-image of B is 2, pre-image of C is 3 and 4. So it may have more than one pre-images, no problem, but it must have at least one pre-image, then it is called as the onto. So that means a mapping is said to be onto if all the elements in the codomain. So always remember that second set is called as the codomain. Okay. So all the elements in the codomain must have at least one pre-image, is called as the onto. Next, so see here, even here also it has 4 elements and all the elements have the 1 1 images, therefore it is both 1 1 and onto. Why it is 1 1 means each elements in the set A have different images, therefore it is 1 1. Why it is onto means all elements in the set B have the at least 1 1 images, therefore it is both 1 1 and onto. Now, so see here, so elements in the set A have don't have the different image. So because 2 and 3 both have the same images, therefore it is not a 1 1. And come to the onto. So in the set B, it has total 3 elements, but element A has the pre-image, B has 2 pre-images, but C don't have any pre-image, therefore it is not a onto. Therefore this is a mapping correct, but it is not a 1 1 and onto. Now come, so this example, so this mapping is 1 1 but not onto. Why it is 1 1 means all the elements in the set A have 1 1 images, that is different images, but in the second set B it has 4 elements, 3 have pre-images, but this D don't have any pre-image, therefore it is not a 1 1. So it is an example for 1 1 but not onto. So this one is, it is an example for onto but not 1 1. Okay. So these are the different types of mapping. Now why I am saying all these things means a homomorphism is said to be isomorphism if it is both 1 1 and onto. Okay. So what is the definition of isomorphism? A homomorphism which is 1 1 and onto is called as the isomorphism. So that is this type of mapping between two groups. So this is the mapping between two sets. In the same way we consider mapping between two groups. So suppose that homomorphism is 1 1 and onto, then we called it as the isomorphism. Now see the definition of homomorphism of groups. Let G comma dot and G dash comma star. So here dot and star are the binary operation. You may use any binary operations. It is not compulsory that you always use the different operators. You can use the, even sometimes we use the same operator, dot dot plus plus or any operators. B2 groups, a mapping F from G to G dash is said to be a homomorphism if F of G1 dot G2 is equals to F of G1 star F of G2. So F means image of G1 dot G2. So see here we are using first binary operation dot. So in this side, right side, we are using second binary operation, operator. So image of G1 dot G2 is always equals to image of G1 star image of G2 for all G1 G2 belongs to G. So this is called as the homomorphism. Now isomorphism. A homomorphism F from a group G into G dash is said to be isomorphism if F is a bijection. Bijection means F is both 1 1 and onto. We have two more definition. First one is endomorphism and automorphism. Endomorphism. a homomorphism F from a group G into itself is called endomorphism. So that means a group G itself means F from a mapping F from G to G only. So that means in the both groups we are considering the same group only, and definitely the binary operation will be same. If we are considering star means the second set will also have the same binary operation. That means a homomorphism. So see here, in the another way we can say it as F G1 dot G2 is equals to F of G1 dot F of G2. Then this type of homomorphism is called as the endomorphism. So see why this, because means by the definition of homomorphism we have F G1 dot G2 is equals to F of G1 star F of G2. Okay, this operation from the first group G dot and star operation from the second group G star, G dash star. Since we are using both the groups as a G, therefore we have to use the same binary operation for set G and same binary operation for the second group G. Therefore, so according to this one we can write it as F of G1 dot G2 equals to F of G1 dot G2. Sorry, F of G1 dot F of G2. So this type of homomorphism is called as the endomorphism. Next, automorphism. An isomorphism F from a group G into itself is called as the automorphism. So that means an isomorphism is said to be automorphism. So same, that is if F from G to G. So this type of isomorphism is called as the automorphism. Okay, thank you.